Friends and viewers, today we are going to install VirtualBox on Windows platform, which is used to virtualize the software on Windows machine. We can install Linux flavor, Ubuntu, Fedora and Mac OS on Windows by using virtual machine. So first we need to install that software. We need to download that package from virtualbox.com. So I will show you how to install it. The software has been developed from Oracle. It is a GPL license. It is free of cost. We can use, no issue with that. So double click on Google Chrome, type VirtualBox for Windows. So we need to go into virtualbox.org. Under this we need to select downloads. Here we can find lot of packages for Windows platform, for Mac OS and Linux and Solaris. We need to select on Windows host. It will start downloading. I already downloaded the package, so I cancelled that one. We need to select download VirtualBox extension package. So we can select on all supported platform. It will download the package. So after this we need to close this. The package has been downloaded and copied over here on desktop. I will show you how to install this package. First we need to choose the file VirtualBox 6.1.12. We need to right click on it and click as open. The wizard has been opened. Welcome to Oracle VM VirtualBox. So we need to click as next. Here lot of packages are available within this software. So VirtualBox, USB support, networking, bridging, hosting and Python. All this software support has been installed inside this package. So the package path is C drive, program files, Oracle and VirtualBox. We can change the path of this one by browsing over here, and we can select here and we can change. I kept as default, so I don't change the path. I will click as next. In this menu we can select for create start menu entries, create shortcut on desktop. For this I click on check mark, so it will create a desktop shortcut here, and quick launcher bar and register file association also added over here. So I click next. It is asking for network interface to install and reset my current network interface. So I click as yes and click as install. Give it as yes. It will take some time to copy new files on it on the system. So my desktop icon has been created already, Oracle VM VirtualBox. We can click it as finish. It automatically starts the Oracle VM VirtualBox manager. This is the software we can use to virtualize the operating system on this Windows machine. So to install Mac OS we need some extensions, so that's why preferably choose to install extension. I click on preferences. Under the preferences there is general, input, update, language, display, network. On click on extensions. I already installed previously, so I remove this one. I will show you how to install newly the package. So in under the extension we need to click on add here. So I will go to desktop. Under VirtualBox, this is the file, extension file. So you can read this one, Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. We need to select this one. It is asking for about to install the software, extension software. So after you read this one you can click on install, and this the extension package support what it all supports. It supports Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Integration, USB 2.0, USB 3, host controller, host webcam, VirtualBox RDP, PXE ROM, disk encryption, NVMe storage, everything it will install. Click on install. Under this you can read the license agreement. Once you read this one, if you drag this one, a checkbox has been selected. You can agree after reading this one and click on next. It has been installed. extension package has been installed. So click on OK. Now the virtual VM box software has been ready. You can create new virtual machine on this by using this software. Thank you. You can subscribe and like my channel so you can get a notification for new videos which I uploaded over here.